Hi, I'm Jay Elquist, CEO of PZM. If you're responsible for substations and power lines, you need to listen to what I have to say. Today I'm going to highlight PZM's dashboard. PZM is a substation inspection and line patrol program, and our dashboard gives you a comprehensive look at what's going on in your system at all times. This is a cooperative who has inspected 14,299 pieces of equipment. They have found 644 deficiencies, 450 have been repaired. They patrolled 153 line miles, and PZM tracks 452 total assets. We break out these numbers by substations and by line patrol modules. We also give you a nice overview by area of what inspections are past due, what line patrols are due this year, maintenance tests that are due. We also take your inspection reads and we give you alerts if you have a low or high drag hand alarm. If your regulator operations have a disturbing trend, we're going to let you know about it, and we're going to give you your worst performing circuits out there based on your breaker reads. And then the last thing we do on the dashboard is let you know of anything that you should be aware of. A high risk deficiency gets entered, or if you have an alarm based on these high breaker counts or low nitrogen pressure on your transformers. All sorts of alarms we'll talk about later. Anyway, that's our dashboard. That's the overview. Sign up for a demo.